Hi guys, today's video is on the writing section in PTE and how you can improve your writing score. Make sure you save this video. I'm Malcolm from A1 Australia, PTE, NAATI and IELTS. Please understand that one of the most important tasks which is going to contribute to your writing score is reading and writing fill in the blanks or drop down blanks in reading. Please give it enough importance and try to aim for an accuracy of consistently 80%. So if there are 5 blanks, you need to be correct in 4 out of 5 in every question if you are aiming for a score of 79 plus, which a lot of you might be aiming for. The other very important task is write from dictation. Please do not add extra words in write from dictation. Try to follow the rules of subject-verb agreement and write only a single word. Don't add singular, plural, both nouns. Try to logically think about the sentence and the grammatical structure and write only one thing. The next important task is fill in the blanks. A lot of you might be good at listening, but when it comes to typing, you might be making mistakes of singular, plural, or ed words which are easily avoidable. Just understand the grammar and the tense used in the sentences. Last but not the least are the 2 actual tasks of writing, which are summarize written text and write essay. In summarize written text, please remember to type very quickly and proofread your answer. Your answer should be less than 75 words and there should be only one full stop at the end. Write essay is a task where you need to write 200 to 300 words. Even if you're following a template, make sure that your typing is accurate. You are leaving a space after every full stop, after every comma. After every full stop, the new word is starting with a capital letter and a comma is placed wherever required. Type quickly. Any essay which is generally between 230 to 275 words is a good essay. Don't write more than 270 to 80 words. It's not worth it. Make sure you check it at least 2 times before you go to the next module, which is reading. Make sure you like the video. If you're looking for classes for PT, NAATI or IELTS, you can contact us. The information will be there in the comment section. I'm Malcolm. Thank you.